So Audi A3 blower motor. It's the one that's got the 5-pin plug on it, which has this rectifier thing which I've just put back together. I thought I'd video it. Ooh, just chuck the screws on the floor, never mind. So yeah, it's got 5-pin type thing like that. Now I've took that apart. Contains a little control module, because the fan runs from about 2 volts up to about 8 volts, obviously 12 volts in, and it takes a signal from the ECU to turn the voltage up and down. That's the output to the motor. Power transistor. But looking at it, there's a couple of dry joints on it, and there's a slight bit of burning there, which would indicate that that's that. So I'm going to just try reflowing the solder and see if it works. I've already ordered a new one, not from Audi, because they're very expensive from Audi. They're about 35 quid from eBay, or about 17 quid for a new module. I've tested the motor, I've just run it up on the power supply. So I'll reflow the joints on this and then try it. Well, I've reflowed it, that's the case. Basically there's 3 screws, one there, and one there, those through the transistors. Come on, focus. Yeah. Anyway, it's 4 springy plastic tabs that you prise open, and that's it. It has got a bit of a gasket in there to keep the moisture out. Anyway, I'll put it back together and reattach it to the motor and try it. That's it, screw back in. This lead goes into the motor and the output of the block. There's a rubber grommet goes around there, but it's still in the footwell of the car. Right, I'll go and chuck this in the car and we'll see if it works. I've plugged it back in. It's not going to catch if it turns. So let's just see what happens. Nah, dead. Well, I've ordered one, and when it comes I might just swap the regulator and just see if it, well, I know the motor works, so I'll just keep it as a spare, but I will order another regulator. So, but interestingly enough, I thought I could hear a noise, but the actuator there to turn it on. That's what I could hear. Oh, I've been rudely interrupted from working on the Freelander to parcel. So the Audi's getting jealous of all the work being done to Land Rovers. So blower motor. That's a whole 35 of my hard-earned pounds have gone on that. So we'll fit that in the Audi. Right, it's a relatively easy fit once you've got the glove box out, which is about 5 bolts, not difficult. And literally you shove it up, twist it. There's a locking tab there that locks it in, and 1 screw. Now, because this was changed last time at the Audi main dealer, of course that screw's missing. So I'm going to find something to see if it'll fit, or see if I can fit into the housing. Just because I'm a bit perfectionist really, so I won't sort of video me putting that in and twisting it. So literally 1 plug, boom, done. These are for the glove box, iPod mount and light and stuff in there. There, it's all in. That's the screwdriver is. There's the tag. That just clips in, and that's the screw that's missing from Audi. So I've just found a little self tapper and a washer. It's not needed, but you know, why would they include it on the design if it wasn't needed? Right, I've just got to put it back together. So it'll be these screws, one there, three across the top, one at the bottom, and one here. So you have to take that side panel off to get that one, and I'd do that one first, otherwise you drop the glove box and it's all on that tag. So pull that one out first and put that one in last. I'm not going to show you me struggling, I'm just going to bang that back in. And yeah, there's the glove box, and just going to bolt it back in there. I won't show you the contents of the glove box because it's a lady's car, so I'll fit that. I've already tested the fan. I didn't video it, but turned it on, the blades were catching, dropped the fan back out, looked at it, it wasn't square onto the spindle, so just give it a little twist and it was good. So we're all good. There we go, all back together, and that's it, job done.
2 hours later.
Yeah, all working again. Now it's job done.